To find the sum of array. So we first of all declare the variable to be used in the program. I'm using k as part of my counter in the program, so that's the reason why I'm declaring it as integer. So I'm using sum as part of the variable in the program to sum the element in an array. So that's the reason why I'm also declaring this as integer. So dim, I want to declare my array to accommodate 5 elements. So I make use of variable nu. So if you are declaring an array, you have to state 1 to 5. That is, the array should be able to accommodate 5 elements of an integer value. So that's a simple way of declaring array in BASIC. Let's try to assign values into those arrays. So the first element, I want it to be F1, 5. The second element, I want it to be 7. The second element, element 2, I want it to be 7. The third element also, I want it, the third element, I want to assign value 9 into it. Then the fourth element, I want to assign value 4 into it. The fifth element, which is the last element, let us, the fifth element, let us assign 23. So that's how to assign elements into an array in BASIC. So now I want to find the sum of the elements. So that's the reason why I'm setting up a loop that we can't go through the first element to the fifth element. So I will now start the sum. Should be assigning to sum. Sum is equal to sum plus the element starting from k, that is from 1 to 5. So that loop will enable the system to loop starting from the first value to the last value. So during the looping, it will be adding. So the sum of the elements now is equal to sum. So after adding all the elements and total sum of the elements are stored in sum, the print statement will now come out to print out what has been stored in sum. So let's run it and see the output. Line 5, I didn't put the closing brackets. Let's go back. The closing bracket is not there. So I've closed it. I can now rerun it. This is a simple way to sum the element in an array. Program to sum the elements in an array, a basic program. Thanks.